Olówó gbogboro, the one who speaks and the heavens tremble. We have come to soak in your presence. Yeah, 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 yeah. You spoke to the darkness, and light became. Aterere Kaye, the one who fills all space. I have searched all over, there is no one like you. Koseni bire, Obatoga, Obatologo. We raise a sound to the Holy One.